Welcome back. The last and not the least example assignment 5. So now let's copy out the last assignment and let's paste it out. Oh god, my brother wrote something great. Oh god, sorry. Okay. Running smoothly. So question 5 says write a program that asks for a digit 0 to 9 and depending on the input, comma, shows the digits as a word in English. Use switch statements. So I guess wrong. Our question 4 wasn't preparing us for question 5. But probably kinda. Let's check it out. So what this question is all about is that I input a number between 0 and 9 and the computer gives me the value I input back in words. So I believe it's a very short program. So let's put 7. Oh, the English word is input. Yeah, let's try another number. 3. The input word is browse. Oh, that's not what it asks you. Scanning. Definitely you're getting 0 for this. Let's analyze the source code. Now enter any digit between 0 and 9 and I will tell you what it represents in English. But you are not telling me what it represents in English. Please enter any number between 0 and 9. It made an array. Oh, sweet. But I can still simply make an array by not including this statement. Just since there's nothing special about it, I just want it to contain variables. So I have my array like that. So why did you use data, browse, search, download, upload, scanning, print, input? Oh god. So the first value I believe should be 0. I understand what it's trying to do. It's trying to make an array that holds all the characters. But instead, since it's already using, the question says use switch. The question hasn't taught you array. So you don't need array. So let's follow the question. So let's delete array. But I understand what it's trying to do. But sorry, it reads what the user enters. Random. Why do you need random? Okay, probably got it all confused. Let's help him out. Okay, I get the user's inputs. This try again is a label for the go-to is using to ask the user to enter, do you want to continue? Do you not want to continue? And if you can see down here, go to, if you enter yes, that is why, it automatically throws you back here. So it's like as if you are starting your code all over again. So don't get confused with this. So now you use the switch statement with respect to whatsoever the user input. So how does the switch statement work? Since I'm inputting what is called an integer, so I just format it straight to what integer. No need of, and I just use what you used earlier, int dot parse. And what is int dot parse? Int dot parse is a method that converts a string to an integer. So what this does is get the user input, which is a string, and since it's a string I don't need to format it to string, so I pass it into the parse that converts it into an integer and stores it into num integer. So now, how does the switch work? The switch works in this format, just like the way you wrote. Switch, you pass in the variable you want to test, then you have a case for each possible option the variable is going to be. So mostly I use switch when I have an option. Probably I know the user can enter more than A, B, C, D. Probably an option A, B, C, D. So that means I can have case A, case B, case C, case D. Something that is limited and you want it to do specific things. And use your break statement to jump out of it when it's done. So now it got it right. So we are expecting the user to enter between 1 and 0 and 9. So when the user enters 0, the English word is, I don't know where I got this. I could have just simply changed it to, the English word is, you don't even need to write English word is. Computer did not tell us to do that. So just write 0 in short. 0. I'm going to change everything later. So this one will be 1. This one will be 2. This one will be 3. This one will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now this is beautiful. Once you enter 0, it comes there, case 0. Oh, beautiful, brother. You don't need to pass a string. Now I understand why you use string. Since it's an integer, this is an error because this is a string. This is what? An integer. So I'm meant to just have 0. I'm meant to just have 1. I'm meant to have 2. But I could have just changed this guy here to string. But let's use the proper way we are required to. We are not to. So that's the issue with programming. Different people with different style of coding. But you also have to learn how to use the proper formatting. So now, all done. So if the value is 9, it does this. And what is it doing inside this condition here? It's just printing out 9. Do you get? That's it. So now, it did not put anything in its default. So now, default means if all these cases, if you enter something that is beyond all these cases, what should it do? That's automatically it comes to default, and whatever I put in default, that's what it's going to do. So in default, I'm just going to tell the computer to tell the user that please enter a character between 1 and 0 and 1. Wrong. Holy Spirit, I can't spell wrong again. Thank you. Wrong input / n, that is new line. Enter and input. What is enter and input grammar? Enter a number between 0 and 9. Love that. So this is It's beautiful way of telling me I think you must be convinced I can do it. Let's go. So now let's see. 5. You see, it's showing us 5. 9. You see, it's showing us 9. So now let's enter 99. 66. Wrong input. Enter a number between 0 and 9. Do you get it now? 8. You see? 8. So that's what the assignment was talking about. So kind of you don't need your try and your catch, because automatically your default can even be your try, except if it's an exception which you throw. Oh, actually it did not use try. Sorry for that. But you did well. At least you showed sign of improvement. At least good job. Thanks. And please don't forget to like our page on Facebook, which has the link below, and also give us a thumb up on YouTube. Love you guys. Thanks.